Hello, and thank you for stopping by. This is a quick review and drive-through of Suncook River Campground, which is located in Suncook, New Hampshire, right on Route 28. Okay, so we just passed the check-in point. All the girls there are really super nice. And right here, you'd be punching in your passcode to get in the gate. Okay. And there's the gate. Okay. And here on the right, you have a very large area for turning around and for campers that want to stay here on the flat, which we chose to. And we are right next to the motorcycle tent, which is in front of you on the right. And that is actually our camper, Montana, on the right. Up and beyond there, there's some glamping tents. I will show you just at the end of the video. Okay, so there we are. Yep. The park has recently been taken over by Joe and his lovely wife, and they're doing a great job at this park. I gotta tell you, really super cheap prices. Electricity is included. There is no black and gray water hookup, but they do have a guy that comes around and does it for $20. That camper right there, that log cabin right there was recently renovated. Looks great inside. Okay, so this is the Suncook River, obviously to our right, down that little embankment. You can take canoes out. You can take the floaties. You can take kayaks out. It's pretty cool. It's nice. Some wildlife, ducks and turtles, deer, and the occasional moose. They are not open for the winter, apparently. Unfortunately, they close on November 1st. Those campers are nice. Those are for rent. Really nice. So overall, I give this park a thumbs up, that's for sure. In case you didn't notice, it's mid-October. Colors are changing. And it's very quiet there at the park, as you see. We see all the ghosts and goblins all set up. Okay. Sorry about my windshield glare. My windshield's a mess. I need to wash it. As you can see, there's lots of empty spots. This is the mid-October, so all the leaf peepers show up near the end of October to look at the leaves, the colors changing. There's another rentable camper. Oh, they have bushwhackers. Well, they had a bushwhacker club stay here this year from Canada. Nice bunch of fellas and fellas. Did I just say that? Yeah, I think I did. Fellas. This is the first time I've ever said that. Anyway, comes one of my favorite parts of the park. Up on the right, there is another beach for kayaks and canoes, or just hang out. On the left, I know you can't see it, but on the left is a dog walking trail. And speaking of trails, there's the future sites will be down this trail. I've only seen a couple of people in one. Must be ready already with electricity and such. Again, there's no hookups here other than electricity. 1350. I like this trail because it's recently dug out and graded, and it makes for a nice private ride. My little halftime ride, if you will. Yeah, we're back to the beginning. That's Route 28 you see on the right. There's pretty much a main road everywhere in New Hampshire. And here we are at the front again. Put in my passcode. Da-da-da. Gate open. La la la. Hey, how you doing? Okay. Here we are back near our cabin, our RV rather, and I'll take you up to the glamping tents right now. Everybody here was super nice and super quiet. It keeps to themselves. So this is a great place to bring the family. There's blow-up houses. What do you call it? Bouncy houses. There's a pool. Okay, these are the glamping tents. Brand new, in case you can't tell. Not sure what their plans are with them, because as I'm recording this, they took them down for the winter. But I can tell they've been up a short amount of time, and they went through the trouble of putting in a wood stove in this one right here, which I'm going to show you. Ta-da! The magic of being a moron. Was I supposed to go in here? I don't know, but I am. Hope you don't mind, Joe. Just checking it out. Okay, not much going on other than beds. Thank you for watching.